Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again, and it's time to do the first speed test comparison with Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 with Honor 8X. So Honor 8X obviously has Kirin 710, whereas Asus has Snapdragon 660, and this is actually the first speed test comparison. And if you want me to do the comparison with Honor 7X, let me know right here. I know it's kind of outdated, but I still feel there are a lot of 7X users who want to see it, so you can vote right here. So yeah guys, let's get straight in the video, starting with the boot up test. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. And guys, if you end up liking this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not. Let's see. And there are a lot more videos to come. Speed test, camera comparison as well. Okay. Both phone. Okay, so Honor 7X obviously has a little bit more bigger display. And okay, Asus first to boot up, Honor 8X. Okay, it's done as well, so let me quickly set this up and all. So yeah guys, everything is set up, nothing is open in the background. Let's start with the phone dialer. Faster on 8X. Let's try with calendar, same result. Let's open settings. Again faster on Honor 8X. Open camera at the same time. Okay, again faster on Honor 8X. Let's finally open Chrome. Okay, so I think that was a little bit faster on Asus, or maybe similar. Let's try to open some social apps guys, or some popular apps as well, starting with WhatsApp. Faster on Honor 8X. YouTube. And it actually opened on 8X but loaded on Asus. So let's move on to the next one. Pinterest. Okay, I think that was really similar. Snapchat. Okay, faster on Honor 8X clearly. Facebook. Okay, so this is faster on Asus. Instagram, exactly the same. So yeah guys, let's try to open some games. We have many games. We'll start with the first one, that is Orbia. Let's get straight into it. Here we go. Okay, so faster on Honor 8X. Smash Hit. And let's see. Again faster on Honor 8X. Just a little bit of difference, but we can actually notice that. Flappy Bird. And okay, again I think a little bit faster on Honor 8X. It was not a huge difference, just a tiny difference, but faster on Honor 8X. Let's open Subway Surfers. And let's see. Again, looks like it's gonna be Honor 8X with the win. Yes, Honor 8X faster. Motor Traffic Racer. Can it do a comeback? Asus. Okay, so this is... Okay, yes, it is faster on Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2. It's kind of a long name, but anyways guys, let's move on to the heaviest game, GTA San Andreas. And this is again looking faster on Asus. And yes, you can see that it is almost done. And Honor 8X taking a lot of time in this game. And yes, it is faster on Asus. Honor 8X. Let's just wait for this. And yes, it's done as well. So yeah guys, let's move on to some shopping apps. Amazon opened on Honor 8X and loaded as well. Asus taking a lot of time. It's done. Banggood. Let's see, it opened at the same time. Okay, so this is faster on Asus. Let's finally open Flipkart. Opened on 8X. Let's see which one loads it first. And both phones taking some time. Okay, so faster on Honor 8X. Let's quickly check out the RAM management. Snapchat refreshed on both. Facebook. Okay, refreshed on Honor 8X. Subway Surfers. And it is actually refreshed on Asus. So let's see some more games. Orbia. Okay, so this is refreshed on both. What about Motor Traffic Racer? So again refreshed on Asus. I don't know what's wrong with Asus. All the games have been refreshed, I think so. GTA San Andreas. And this is refreshed on both. So let's see one final game, Flappy Bird. Okay, so this is in the RAM. And that also guys wraps it up. So this was a speed test comparison, and it was like a even Steven contest. Sometime it was Honor, sometime it was Asus, but RAM management not so good. And I will be doing this test again when both of these phones gets the Pi update, so subscribe for that. So yeah guys, like, subscribe, share, and as always, peace out.